Hello friends, welcome back to another video in this channel. Today in this video we'll discuss about part 7 of Azure 104 certification, where we'll learn about how to create a resources group. Then we'll see how to create a virtual network with 24 address space. That means 256 addresses. In that virtual network we'll create two subnet, and then we'll create two virtual machine, and we'll assign the each virtual machine in each subnet. That means each virtual machine will have separate IP in each subnet. Then we'll check the virtual machine private IP address, then connect that virtual machine via remote desktop connection, and also we'll test the connectivity via ping in each virtual machine. I'll put this in YouTube description page as well, where you can find all the steps that I'm saying right now. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, I'm in here in the Azure portal. So let's go and create a resources group first. So here my resources group is created already, and this is the one. So now let's go and create one virtual network. This is the one. Choose the right resources group and give the name of virtual network name. Here we'll assign the IP address. Here by default there is a address space 16. Sixty-four addresses. So it is starting from 0 and finishing on 63. Click on save. So we have one address range for IT here, and we'll create another subnet of marketing. Then same like before, we'll just make it 26 here, and then the address is starting from 64. Before it was starting from 0 to 63 and finishing on 63, and this one is starting from 64. So here IT subnet is from 0 to 63, and marketing is from 64 to 127, and total we have 128 addresses. So review and create. So my network, which is virtual network, is deploying and it's in progress. So let's wait for some time until it finishes. And finally my deployment is completed. So let's go and check it. This is the one. Here if you go under setting, you can see the subnets, and one is IT and one is marketing, and the available IP are 59. Now the virtual network is created with two different subnet of department. So let's go and create a virtual machine in each department with their associate subnet. Create. Choose the right resource group. I'm just gonna create, say, VMIT, because I'm gonna put this virtual machine in IT subnet. Just put Windows Server for now. So we have to give a username so that we can log in while doing RDP. Make sure the password is matched. Then the RDP is 3389 ports. Next, here on networking, you have to select the right subnet, which is IT for now. So that is the right one. In another virtual machine, we'll go for the marketing. So it is charging 0.14 USD per hour. But once you are practicing it, just make sure to delete the resource group so that you don't get charged. So the deployment is in progress. So my deployment is completed. So let's go and see the virtual machine. So this is the virtual machine IT1, which is in resource group. So let's go and create another virtual machine. Choose the right resource group. So this time we'll create virtual machine marketing. You can put same username because it's two different virtual machine. Okay. The password is not matching. So this time we'll go for subnet as a marketing because this virtual machine we're gonna put on the marketing group. Click on create. The deployment is in progress, so let's wait until it's finalized. So now the VM marketing is also created. So now two different VM are created in each subnet of its group. One is on IT department and another one is management. So we'll try to connect it and ping it so that we can test the connectivity. So let's go and see the two virtual machine first. So these are the two virtual machine, one here and another one is here. So let's go inside IT1. Here you will see the connect option. But before that, I'll just show you that this is a public IP address over here, and this is a private IP address of the machine. So click on connect, then download RDP file, open that RDP file, double click on it, connect. Then it will ask for the credentials, the one you put it. Okay, and click on yes. It is a bit slow because we choose the less RAM speed. So let's wait until it fully functionalizes. Let's go and check the IP address of this machine. And the IP address of this machine is 10.0.0.4. So let's go and see another virtual machine of marketing group. Click on connect, download RDF file. This is another one. Connect. Again, put the password. Let's go and see the IP address of this machine too. And the IP address of this machine is 10.0.0.68 because the another subnet is starting from 64, I guess. So if you want to make sure, you can go and check from your virtual network subnets. So another one is starting from 64. Yeah, so if you go in the marketing, you'll see the IP after 64, so that is 68. So now two machine is created in its subnet in one network. So let's go and ping another IP, which is another virtual machine, and the IP address of that virtual machine is, I'll just put in same place so that is easy to see. So another IP address of the virtual machine is 10.0.0.0.4, and you can put minus T for continuous pinging, but it's not pinging because the firewall is there which is blocking it. So let's go and disable the firewall for now. I'll just maximize it. So go to the run command, firewall.cpl. It will open the firewall for you. Then you can turn off the firewall for now. So then we can test the connectivity. Often it's not recommended. So we just turn off the firewall in one of the virtual machine that is marketing. However, we need to turn off the virtual firewall in IT machine as well, so that it both can pass through each other. So the firewall is turned off in both of the virtual machine. Let's go and ping each other. It's full ping now. So I was doing ping from marketing to IT before, it wasn't working. So let's go and put the same command, and it is pinging this time. And I'll just cancel it by Control C. And that's it for today's video. In this video, we learned how to create a network, subnets, and virtual machine and also we try to ping between two virtual machine as a practically. So thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in another part.